Dear student, today we are going to study stocking pond preparation and management. Stocking pond, that is mainly used for the fingerling, grow up to the table size fish. In rearing ponds, the fry grow up to fingerling size during 3 months. After 3 months, that fingerlings collected from the rearing pond and released into the stocking pond. The stocking ponds are generally larger than the rearing pond. They are perennial, means the water present throughout the year in stocking pond. Their size from 0.2 to 2 hectare in area and average depth 1.5 to 2 meter. Then pre-stocking management, before the stocking of fingerlings into stocking ponds. The main purpose of management of stocking pond is to attain high production of table sized fish in shortest possible time. The first step in preparation of stocking ponds is to clear aquatic weeds, remove predatory and weed fishes, and liming. The method same used for nursery pond. Manuring or fertilization of pond to increase the productivity of the pond, to develop the natural food in the pond. Generally, organic and inorganic fertilizers used. In organic fertilizers, mainly cow dung is used and their dose 20,000 to 25,000 per kg per hectare per year. Inorganic fertilizers, mixture of ammonium sulfate plus single superphosphate plus calcium ammonium nitrate in 11:5 ratio at 1000 to 1500 kg per hectare per year, which may suitably varied depending on the water and soil quality. Stocking management. Some of the more important considerations for attaining high fish production in stocking ponds are species combination, means how many types of species we are selected, their ratio and rate of stocking. Every pond, irrespective of in what manner it is managed, can support a fish biomass only up to a certain weight limit, and this limit is called the carrying capacity or the maximum standing crop. Carrying capacity means the each stocking pond having their capacity, their own capacity to accommodate that certain limit weight of the fish. That is called as a carrying capacity or maximum standing crop. The carrying capacity of ponds depends on their natural productivity, management practices, including fertilization, artificial feeding, the species stocked and their stocking rate, fertilization, artificial feeding, and aeration increase the carrying capacity of the pond. Carrying capacity of the pond means त्या स्टॉकिंग पॉन्डमध्ये आपण किती वेट त्या ठिकाणी फिशचं त्याच्यामध्ये स्टोअर करू शकतो किंवा स्टॉक करू शकतो. तर त्याला त्या पॉन्डची कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी म्हणतात. आणि ही पॉन्डची कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी जी आहे ते इन्क्रीज करण्याचं काम जे आहे ते आपण जर त्याच्यामध्ये फर्टिलायझेशन केलं पॉन्डला, आर्टिफिशियल फिडिंग केली, एरिएशन दिलं तर त्या पॉन्डची कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी वाढते. म्हणजेच आपण त्याच्यामध्ये जास्तीत जास्त फिश सीड स्टॉकिंग करू शकतो. दॅट इज कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी. देन स्टॉकिंग. Fingerlings 50 to 100 mm size, stocked at the rate 5,000 to 8,000 per hectare. Katla, Rohu, Mrigal in the proportion 3:6:1 reported by Lin in 1951. So according to Lin, the stocking of fingerlings rate is 5,000 to 8,000 per hectare. When we are selecting the three species Katla, Rohu, Mrigal in the ratio 3:6, 6:1. Then Annan in 1956 reported fingerling stocking. The size of fingerling is 102 to 153 mm. Stocked 4,942 to 7,413 numbers without feeding, without supplying the artificial feeding, and 9,884 to 12,355 number of fingerlings with artificial feeding for stocking 180 to 240 days. So the stocking rate of fingerlings that depends upon the carrying capacity of the ponds, that depends upon the artificial feeding of the pond. Without artificial feeding, with artificial feeding, their stocking number is changed. Then post-stocking management. So supplementary feeding is required because the natural food available into that stocking pond, that is not sufficient. So for the maximum growth of fingerlings, we should supply the artificially food, and the artificially food generally consists of groundnut oil cake, mustard oil cake, and rice bran at 1:1 proportion in the powder form, generally that given to the fish in the early mornings. That mixture there makes a paste, and that is spread on the surface of the ponds, or that paste is kept into the earthen spot, large mouthed earthen spot, and that, or sometime that we kept into the polythene large bags, and that kept bag at the corners of the ponds. So fish come there and taking the food. The initial feeding rate of 5% of body weight is reduced slowly 1% as the culture cycle is progress. So initial stages that require the maximum food, that is 5% of their body weight, and slowly that rate is decreased up to 1% body weight. And harvesting. This is the last step. Within 10 to 12 months of rearing, fingerlings attain the table sized fish, means proper size for marketing. Harvesting may be done by gradually draining the water of stocking pond or by netting. Dragnet is used for capturing the fishes from the pond depending upon the marketability. Harvesting means collection of the fish. Well grown fishes are taken out for marketing and smaller ones are released again into the stocking pond for attaining their full growth. The harvested fishes should either be soon marketed or preserved in ice to prevent spoilage. If immediately there is no customer for that fishes, harvested fishes, then we can preserve that fish for the maintain their quality to avoid the spoilage. So this is general the cycles. Here we have selected the fingerling stage. That fingerling we have released into the stocking ponds and that grow within 10 to 12 months of the marketable size or table size of the fish. We can market that fish or we can continuous grow of that fish for the breeding purposes that we call as a brood stock. We can develop the brood stock. If our purpose is to develop the fish seeds, then we are not selling the fish. That fish is continuously growing to develop the mature fish for the breeding purposes, and that mature fishes we call as a brood stock, and that is used for the breeding purposes. So in this way the stocking ponds used for the rearing of fingerlings to the table sized fish. So for the maximum production, the preparation and management of stocking pond is important. So thank you. If any doubt, you can ask through the WhatsApp group or you can ask on the mobiles. Thank you.